Wow. Hello. Okay, I was told to come here. It looks very good. So can you tell me what the dishes are? I see some diniguan. Maybe some jackfruit. So, can you tell me the name of these dishes? Yeah, I'm gonna eat here. I'll have mine. So no, this is jackfruit.
Yeah.
And this one is deniguan.
Yes.
What's this one called?
Chicken again. This is marinated pork.
Tocino, right? Okay.
Yeah. This one beef.
Okay, beef.
Marinated beef.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this one?
Sweet and sour tuna.
Okay. This is mung bean, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And this one is
Bicol Express.
Bicol Express, this one. Okay, okay.
This
And
one is Bulanglang.
Bulang.
Vegetable with pesos.
Okay. Okay. And this is tilog, right?
Tinola.
Tinola. Okay. And then diniguan. Okay. So what do you recommend? What is 2 dishes to try?
It's up to you. It's up to you. You want pork? You want chicken? Because, you know.
I want to try. What is this one over here?
Sisig.
Sisig.
Pork sisig.
Okay. I think I want to try the vegetable. One vegetable. This one. And I'll try the crispy pata. Please. How do you say this name in Philippine? This dish.
This one?
Bulanglang.
Bulanglang.
Bulanglang. Okay.
Bulanglang.
Bulanglang. Okay. Thank you.
In this size, like pan.
Okay. And crispy pata. I see. And what do I eat this with? With vinegar?
Yeah.
Okay. My crispy pata is being deliberated over.
The crispy pata is not ready.
Okay. So not good? So should I wait?
This one is not good, only display, but the crispy pata is like maybe like 2 hours more.
Okay, so maybe I get another dish. Which one should I try? Your choice. What's something unique? Maybe. Let's try the Tocino. Tocino. I think it looks good.
This one's like kind of
Okay.
breakfast.
And I eat this with rice, right? Okay.
Vinegar.
Rice and vinegar. Okay. I like this. Nice. Oh, no worries. It's okay. That's fine. I eat it. And these are plantain chips down here. No, that's fish. And this is, I saw this, ube champorado. I see some people eating this with fish. I wanted to try that with this salted fish, sardines. Let's fix this. I'm not worried about that. What else they have? The beginnings of hello, hello, bilo, bilo. I've never heard of that. Okay, yum. Perfect. And some vinegar. That's great. Perfect. Do you want me to?
You need something to drink?
Do you have some sort of Filipino drink? I've had this before. The soursop. Maybe the mango, or maybe I'll try the pineapple. Thank you. Okay. Anything else I should eat this with? Fish sauce or vinegar? Nothing? No. Perfect. Okay.
This will be
Okay, eat with the rest. Okay. Pay now or pay after? Okay, thank you. Okay, here we go. We got the vegetables. We got the Tocino. some nice white rice. I don't want to make the mistake I did in the other video where I got pancit with some of this stuff, and we got the vinegar. So let's start with the vegetables. This looks like a piece of pumpkin. I'm gonna try on its own first. Whoa, lots of fish flavor in that. There must be shrimp paste in that. So let's try that with a bite of rice. That's delicious. Very strong on the fish. And this tocino, which is like a cured pork, I'm gonna try with a bit of vinegar, or dip it. I'll try it with a little over top. Wow, that's sweet, delicious. I think, you have to tell me in the comments, but I think I would dip this in the vinegar too. It's all delicious once again. Very healthy too. This is very clean. You have eggplant in here, okra. You know, switch utensils. You have eggplant, you have okra. What I'm learning about Filipino food is when you come into these restaurants, there's combinations, so it's so easy to pick and try different things, which is amazing. I think of all the dishes that I've tried with Filipino, this seems to be like, this is like pork candy. Like, this is very approachable to anyone who's never tried Filipino food. It's very good. Oh yeah, I have to try my Del Monte pineapple. Cheers. Yum. Very good. From Philippines. It's a good little way to offset the umami fishiness of the vegetables, which I like, but it's a very strong flavor. The taste in this soup is so strong. I want to ask what's in it. Does this one have the pipette? Pipette? Does this have pipettes in it? Or it's a shrimp bagoong? It's bagoong. It's not pipette. It's not like the bile. It's bagoong? Is the shrimp?
Like this one, the balayan bagoong.
Oh, okay. Here, let me see. Oh, I see. Okay. This one.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay, so this one has the balayan. Whoa, okay. So the salted fish sauce. Okay, thank you. Cool. So that's why it's hitting extra strong. Probably stronger than regular fish sauce. It's good though. Big flavor. Looks like we got some Filipino karaoke on the TV. Thank you, it's very good. Put it over here. Thank you. Very good. What are these called?
Depots.
Depots? And they're like fried fish.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Cool, okay, well thank you. That was very good. Okay, I gotta hit my minimum here of 12 bucks, so let's try. What's good? What's a small snack?
The ding dong.
Ding dong. Okay, ding dong it is. Is this Filipino?
Yeah.
Okay, ding dong. Pipato will have to wait another day. Okay, we have a Subway up above. I've got my ding dong. Let's crack into these. Let's see what happens with the ding dong. I'm trying to get in them without moving you around. Somebody just yelled. Okay, one sec. Bear with me. Okay, official ding dong cam. Wow. Looks like you got some garlic or some chickpeas in there. That Subway, that tastes like something that would be good with cold beer. Somebody told me in the comments before the name of stuff you drink with beer. I think this would be one of it, but that's good. Cold beer. It's kind of nice after the meal too. Okay, the unofficial ding dong tasting. So this looks like we got some corn nuts, some chickpeas, some peas in there, peanuts, garlic. Good with a beer. I mean, texture, flavor, huge garlic. Great little logo, great name, and it's from Caloocan City in the Philippines. So cheers to the ding dong, a perfect little after meal treat. Hello. Is this all Philippine sweets? What should I try?
We have bubble tea, like the taro is the famous one, and the regular one.
This is Philippine sweets?
We have it there, the pastillas, and the botar.
Oh, cool. Yema botar, okay. Macapuno balls.
And the toasted pastillas with yema filling inside.
Pastillas, okay, cool. Wow. And this is the, oh, pastillas, okay. Okay, so you have that, okay, sapin, sapin. What's that?
Sapin is the Filipino sweet, but right now it's unavailable.
Oh, okay. So what should I try? Which I just want to try one thing.
If you want to try like the Filipino street food, you have the quick. It's
Quick, quick?
quail egg. It's an orange one.
Oh, the quail egg. Do you have something sweet?
Sweet, we only have the available
Only
stuff.
that?
And we have some stuff that are like sweet, but now it's not available because we need to do pricing. Because we're just like open like almost 3 months. So
Okay, just open 3 months. Okay, well, I want to try the,
we have dumplings.
yeah, let's try the siomai.
The
Yeah,
siomai?
that's fun, sure. Oh, so you eat it with soy sauce? Okay, and what's
Yeah.
in the siomai? It's pork?
It's pork.
Okay, nice, perfect.
Over there, and then some chili oil.
That's chili oil,
Chili
okay.
oil on the side.
Would you eat it with like vinegar or anything?
Yeah, with the soy sauce here. This one.
Okay, I see. Do you have this soy sauce with calamansi?
This one comes with the calamansi.
Oh, amazing. I want to try this. Okay, so
And
I
this
just
one
put
is-
it over top?
And this one is like the chili oil.
Okay, so this has some of the calamansi in it, and this is some chili oil. So let's do both. I'll take a nice photo. Perfect. Okay. Okay, so some siomai with the calamansi soy sauce, which is a type of citrus there. This looks good. Very good. Wow. So simple too. That's delicious. It's like kind of like a dim sum type thing, but I love it with that calamansi, like that citrus punch. That's cool. I didn't expect that to have such a unique flavor. That's very good. I'll come back for some sweets. I like the calamansi. I like this calamansi dipping. Yeah, it was good. What do you call that in the Philippines? That mixture?
We will usually make it, but in some store there's they call it Tayomansi.
Tayomansi.
In some Filipino store.
Toyo.
Grocery, yeah.
Okay, maybe I'll try and find it. Thank you. That's good. Oh, the subway again. So I was expecting, waiting for the subway. I was expecting it to be, I was expecting some dessert, but I actually ended up having that dumpling, and that was a nice surprise. So onward, a new Filipino dish I'd never tried. Okay, I've heard rumors this is a Filipino store, although I see some Indian writing. Let's see what's going on. Hello, is this a Filipino shop? Yeah, Filipino foods? You have any Filipino foods? Okay, I thought you had some. Thank you. Okay, no Filipino foods there. Let's go try and find some of that calamansi soy sauce. Okay, we're in this market. We got pompano, tilapia, squid. Let's try and find some Filipino foods. This place is awesome. Look at all these dried fish from the Philippines. Sap sap. Smoked mackerel, which is tinapang hasa hasa. This is where you get all the funk in the dishes from. Dried salted mackerel, hasa hasa, butterfly cut. What's this one? Dried salted yellowtail scallop, sale sale. Product of the Philippines. What's this? Squid? Oh my gosh. Dried squid. This looks like butter. What is this? Mookfish? Galunggong, butterfly cut. All these dried fishes, the dried shrimp, pomfrets, dried gyprocs. I don't know what that is. That's what gives the huge flavor to all the dishes. I need to find more funny dried fish. Maybe they have some of the eggs, the salted eggs. Cooked salted duck egg. Preserved duck egg. Here we go. What is the fetal duck egg? Belu? Balu? Belu. I wonder if they have that. No. Product of China. If I found Balu, I would be very, very, very shocked. Duck eggs, nice. Quail eggs. Okay, maybe Balu for next time. Balu. Here we go. Soy sauces. Calamansi soy sauce. Uh-oh. Oh, shrimp. No. This looks like more Chinese ingredients. Sardines. This could be good. Okay, halo stuff. We're getting warm. Maybe they've got it all in the same section. Gulaman. Okay, this is good. We are close. Oh, come on. Back down to coconut. Adobo. Calamansi. Tuna flakes and calamansi. Okay, well here's citrus ponzu, but we want calamansi. Okay, we're getting hotter because now I see the vinegars. This is good. These are the vinegars. Here we go. Soy sauce calamansi. Awesome. Okay, well that's the vlog. I'll grab this because it's delicious. And until next time, what a great, wonderful Filipino meal.